That's a while ago.
When me would deny your time.
Oh. Dang! Yo! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss! Straight out of Jamaica. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post right over there. So I'm gonna post every day 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. This is the third video of the day. Now we got Sikka Rymes, Vybz Kartel, Heavyweight official video. Sikka Rymes, you go yourself. You don't know chap, I the big up yourself. But I see the girls them, you know, the girls them outside, you know. You don't know the girls them outside, like I see the preview on Instagram, you know, I shit, I'm say, yo. I think it was a 41 people. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new and new to 10,000 subscribers. This is the goal for the year, which is 10k. With the 8k right now, I will take a look at my bingy bangy. I got 10,000. I said I'm gonna laugh after bad mind. Laugh after them again. But them good job of our friend. True, we have a bank with them money if you spend. Anyways, people. Reaction boss out here and I'm gonna see what I go on, man. Wow. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for.
Set.
But you don't be ready for them. I'm not ready for them girls here. I'm just react to body language in the dark. Like, but just react to body language.
You like time, then you tick for me. Your body look thick, but you fit for me.
Why? But just react to body language.
You make me hood stand at
Oh my God. I just reacted to body language and.
when you take off your clothes and strip for me.
Alright, we turn on the hat. Turn around. I made the song. Guys, if you want to watch this full video without me pausing it, the link down below in the description. Go check it out for yourself, alright? Because see what going on. We see a tickers a while ago. Whatever. Me sure think she gonna take out that a while ago now. Me sure think she gonna take out for me. So wait, take care. Do me so already. Oh yeah, baby.
Big breast, big butter.
Whoa.
When me would deny your title, me feel rich like.
Oh man, no, the video just start. Like it just start. That's a while ago.
When me would deny your title.
Love a man, bad dog.
Me feel rich like it's a Amazon. The girl they are heavyweight, full of ring by your finger, full of ice, make you.
Yo, me can't see the video in a silence, people. In a silence, dog. I don't even know.
Walk with your acid if I got try real. Now she will lie it in 9 fears. Babes, you have it locked.
I would. Me not might tell anyone who's a secret come out of the carry, but hold on there. This is a perfect example of what me I do. Me did at the bush. We a bust a bad shit in the bush and I see that girl wine and I said so. I go for her. Look at the man I go for her. Go for her.
9 fears. Babes, you have it locked like a prison where you never escape. And sticky like a cellophane tape.
Hey, the way them guys don't stick, them don't set, them just firm. Right now we have some nice brown stew chicken. I go back with some Maggi seasoning and some calmly the flour. You see me as I cook garlic and go blood clot. Go on.
Get your steak. Mali never cook blue jars. Get your plate. Get your plate. She has a me.
I want to see Shadi with the ice. I want to see Shadi. But me see one line of batty jar a while ago. One line of body. One line of body. One line of bumbo clip body. And the one of them better. People like the video from not like the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll go for your 10,000 subscribers. Jano. I never expect this, dog. Go on.
Just get your plate, get your. She just make a kiss sweet to the bone. Catch up.
Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Bumbo clot. Dog. We don't mess this song already. We have to do if you want to see me react to the audio, you don't find the channel. Let's see me so you can go mess it. And the video me react to. Sikka Rymes, see the girl them. Yeah, dog. I see why you go do Sikka Blinds, Sikka Rymes for the girl them. I know you see the girl them. Go on. Yes, them in there.
Catch up.
Don't know that girl. I don't know her, but I know her. I follow her on Instagram. From a week, a chronic class straight through the day. Big up yourself, you coming, bro, God. She there. She. I know she. Go on, do.
Good never breathe. Catch up. Speak man in sickness as you get up. Wet up.
See the bed pop down.
Love when you boom
that damn. Pop back like I'm not like Sikka Rymes like him take that song. And that means somebody direct to the song. Sikka Rymes, you take that song. That me not like. You take it. Listen to Sikka Rymes for the girl them no people. Listen.
She bring chief and
come. Fuck you.
She till meeting done. Me not keep.
Girl, your body big. Him. A one place me my car partner butterfly you know. Anytime inside boom inside partner butterfly the shit. Me calm down my reaction man. Me calm me done.
Meeting done. Me not keep man
company.
Boom boom swell like she pumping it.
She know she little bit too fat. Me not gonna knock that one day. You understand me? She right there. You see her she. She can go on. If you play a quick game of special pass, she'll get passed. Me can't manage that. Me just can't. Nothing wrong with her. But me can't manage that. I'm not going to take up no. Me can't manage. Everything else I get smashed though. But you can go on. Me leave it to SCT and write in the comment section. Go on. Me don't want that one day.
When she come give me, the girl pussy go numb when me come in. He love, girl we blow like sea breeze. Sit up on the cocky then and me like.
Let me look all. Ooh. Me love it, girl like sea breeze. See my hat? When you see my hat, I work. But hold on, let me go back right and see how I get a while ago. What shall she there? Oh, me see that pick up first and pass it on her to breakfast. Go on.
Peace, baby, me say you tight and little. Him never fuck you good so him
hey, she a tease me, you know. For the video start, that girl there tease me, you know. For the video start, she a tease me, you know, people. You see what I go on. For the video start, she want to take off the breast and she don't want. If you go take it off and stop ramp with me, little girl. Don't ramp with me. I watch her, little girl.
Hey, freeze. Me put me eyes on you. Make you feel like you're not the triangle.
She don't want to talk after me no more and see what the tongue people know the song already, you know. Watch her. Like, yeah, man, no, my tan go to a little sand from my body cheek. Like a girl, I'm tell you this. I'm gonna tell you blood cleat this. I'm done with the red. I'm not even say 40 minutes. Go on, the blood cleat, go on.
You're not the triangle. She no fuck man with short like cheese stump. So she link sick off the bamboo. Baby.
Tall man, the girl them love. Reaction boss is very tall, ladies, if you never know. We're not short. But hold on there. Let's see if I go back, you know. Because most of the girls them they all about in the video, so let's see if I go back for them. Go on.
City bed
back down. Love when you boom boom that
down. She bring chief
friend come.
Fuck she.
See that girl that she just black and the jaw then just look how she flexible. Look how it move. I think a simple thing. I think a simple thing for shit that what you do she work with. Watch her. You think a simple thing that she do? You must think a simple bumbuckler thing that she do right there, so dog. Come here, sweat. Blood clean, dog. No, I can't bother, dog. Come here, sweat. Go on.
Me not keep man
company.
Pum pum swell like she pumping it. That was when she come give me.
We don't see you without a black shorts the hand. So you can please take it off back again, please. Alright, thank you. But go on.
See go now when me come in.
Split panny girl, yeah girl. Boom panny girl, yeah girl. Bumbo clot, yo. Mash it up. Mash up the wall of the ground. Make them know say you're a general. Go on. Boom panny.
Under your hot temperature elevate. Meet your feeding. Me to feed dinner, sell your belly, left it plate. Tie your champion body make Tyson and weight. And a gaze and
What
dog
do
in a mouth with a
shake it up, batty girl. Shake up your blood clot. You see that fatty there, she got to me in my face. Me not deal with she, no. Me not want to deal with she. She turn good, but me not deal with she got to me in my face. Fatty, you alright. You look good and think, Fatty, but not my cup of tea. You alright. Look how she practice thumping there.
No matter who win, be a big celebrate.
That scene you bad, no blood clot. Hold on there. That scene you bad. Me a slow motion because I want to see that scene ya. Come up now, scene. Next one. You see that? Yo, me not lie, you know. Oh, you see why I not give away? Brain reach over and get it. Oh, come here, say, what you wait, pan? Our birthday just gone the other day. Come here, so we don't reach over there yet. No wine, pan her. Yeah. Youth. What clot? Cock up is a 10. Go on, no sooner.
Like a prison where you never escape and
yeah, me not like see that girl. If you hold that girl there, you know, that one there little pink dress. If me a virgin. See her there again to Ross. Me a virgin.
Come in flower with the back.
Yeah, girl.
Mali never cook blue jars. Get your plate, get your. The girl there every.
That video not done yet. Me not lying. Me the video need to wrap up now. Me not lying. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Yeah, Fatty, go on the page, yeah, Fatty. Yeah, turn up her. I'm saying I get in that pink dress. I get in that pink dress. I get in that pink. People, like the video. If you watch reaction right now, you don't like the video, like the video right now. And subscribe if you not subscribe yet. 10,000 subscribers I go for. Me not even say 40 more. What?
She will lie 89 face. Babes, you have it locked like a prison where you never escape.
Video bad. People, I don't want to think about that song. I don't know it's chap, you know. Comment down below. Who take the song? To me, I still can't take the song that I'm not lie. I'm not going to say a cartel. I'm not lie. Honestly, Sikka Rymes take that song for real. But anyways, I'm out.